Do you feel like you don't speak enough Spanish? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
Hi everybody, my name is Rosa. Welcome to the 2000 Core Spanish Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is insignificante. Insignificant. Insignificante. Insignificante. Insignificant. Cantidad insignificante. Insignificant amount. Cantidad insignificante. Famoso. Famous. Famoso. Famoso. Famous. Actor famoso. Famous actor. Actor famoso. Estornudar. Sneeze. Estornudar. Estornudar. Sneeze. La mujer está estornudando. The woman is sneezing. La mujer está estornudando. Casual. 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 Ropa casual. Casual clothing. Ropa casual. Guitarra. Guitar. Guitarra. Guitarra. Guitar. Tocas muy bien la guitarra. You play the guitar very well. Tocas muy bien la guitarra. Respirar. Breathe. Respirar. Respirar. Breathe. Respirar hondo. Breathe deeply. Respirar hondo. Escupir. Spit. Escupir. Escupir. Spit. No escupir. No spitting. No escupir. Dentista. Dentist. Dentista. Dentista. Dentist. Buen dentista. Good dentist. Buen dentista. Caries. Cavity. Caries. Caries. Cavity. Caries profunda. Deep cavity. Caries profunda. Asma. 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 Inhalador para el asma. Asthma inhaler. Inhalador para el asma.
Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Spanish, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say insignificant? Insignificante. Insignificante. And how to say famous? Famoso. famoso. What about sneeze? Estornudar. Estornudar. Do you remember how to say casual? Casual. Casual. Let's try guitar. Guitarra. Guitarra. What about breathe? Respirar. Respirar. Now let's see if you remember how to say spit. Escupir. Escupir. Another one. What about dentist? Dentista. Dentista. Do you remember how to say cavity? Caries. Caries. And finally, do you remember how to say asthma? Asthma. Asthma.
Well done! See you next time! Adios!
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the Word Bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.